Good morning, Vivek. How you guys doing?
Good morning. How are you?
Very good. Good morning, Khurshid. How you doing?
Seems like the PCE data is good.
Yeah, I was looking at. I basically opened late, um, so it's trying to break out the upper band of the yesterday. Um, so it made all the way to 750 and then pulled back. Now it is consolidating. So we have to see what it's going to do next. Right now, right now we are in the middle of the range. Hi guys on the YouTube, how you guys doing? So I think it's really going to be important for the market to hold 24,670 area. If they cannot hold, then there is a likelihood that we're going to see a downside move. Morning, Waldemar.
Yeah, so far it's holding 70.
Yeah.
Si- Actually, it went up to 63 or not 60 actually, 61, and then jumped back very quickly. So it has some support there. But opening can change everything, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. The market, the PC data is the same. So, I mean, it did not change. So, it is as expected. So now other factors will play a part, right? Like tariffs, new tariffs were introduced yesterday night, so those things might play a part. So did you take any trades today?
No, not yet. I basically came so late. So guys, for me, if you guys see my screen, I'm looking at the chart right now. So if you see those two lines, which is basically between the 70 and then 700, I will see what happened. If it can hold 700 and move back up, I will go long. If it fails here, then I'm booked for the shorts. Similarly, on the ES side, if it can hold 66, 60 areas, 85 area, I will start looking for the long side. But if not, then I'll look for the downside move. You guys ready? Right now it looks a bit calm down from the 10 minutes of momentum, which is in itself is really good because it closed almost 80% of the gap. On triple Q is 595 is a key level. It's really wanting to see that can we claim 595. So looks weak. Here you go. Came down.
It's dropping
Yeah.
before the market open.
I mean, if it's gonna drop before the market open, it's likely gonna bounce once market will close.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's what it does before the market, 5 minutes before the market opens. Checks out.
Give me 1 second. I'll be back.
Sure.
All right. So yeah, I think it's getting weak now. It's getting a pullback. I think it's going to be the crucial to see. So triple Q is unable to reclaim the 595. 4 more minutes. Why so much quietness today on the YouTube? Everybody is on break before my break. Morning, Ashwin. Ashwin, how much you want to make today? You can do that. You can do that. What you need to do that. Start with the sim. So, so how? What number of contracts did you trade on the sim? NQ? No, no. I think no. You won't be able to tolerate that into your live account. I'm not sure your risk appetite, but don't fool yourself by taking NQ trades on the sim. You no you No, it's not about market. It's about the volatility in your live account. If you're not traded before, based on the sim results, if you're gonna go and try to do the live, you're gonna mess up. It's better take one funded account, and it's just gonna give you at least a similar feeling of his life, and then you try and see that can you tolerate NQ volatility, because I know for a fact that NQ volatility is not easy to tolerate in your live account. Every tick is going to kill you against you. Yeah, Tradify is better because you wanted to feel the live account, right? So take the instant funded account. No, no. So I think to take the instant funded means that if you make the profit, you keep the profit. No evaluation. No evaluation. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But you're only going to lose whatever the initial amount you paid, whatever the account purchase, right? So if, I think it's $100,000 account is I think $400 or something like that. All right, guys. Good luck. First pullback is coming down. Market is weak. Interesting. Gap is completely closed on the NQ. Da, da, da. Very weak market at this point. ES is very far from the gap. So first pullback down. UX were still in the range. Completely gap closed. Wow, the full gap closed. No buyer. Wow. What's happening, Vic?
As I was saying, there were some new tariffs introduced yesterday, right? So yesterday night, so that might be
Yeah.
playing some part. I don't know because this was expected here, so it negated in reaction.
Yeah. I don't know what's happening, but it is what it is, right? Very big spike down here. There you go. Gap is filled. Wow. Wow. Gap has been bought back up. Let's start look for the long trades now. Ooh, squeeze. Come on, man. Pull back. Okay, it's going to the 700. I think this is the range I was talking about. Look at this range in the, but we want a little bit of pullback here. This is the same range we were wanting to hold in the pre-market where it dropped. If we could get the consolidation a little bit here and we get the opening range, we can play that opening range. but we want this to hold. Come on, come on, come on. No, don't break it out on this candle. Come on, don't break it out. Come on, hold. Give us a hold. Give us the hold. No, 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 no. Don't break out. Come on, don't break out. If it's gonna break out here, I won't be taking that trade. This 5 minutes is almost more than 100 points trade. 100 points candle. Okay, we can have a consolidation candle here.
It's not almost, it is more than 100 points.
Yeah. But I want a little bit of consolidation here, guys. Um, VWAP is holding. If it's gonna hold 624, 670, I think we should look for the upside move. But not like this. Come on, give us a little bit of consolidation. ES is just keep ripping very close to pre-market high. Okay, okay, this dip is coming. Come, I hope that this little bit of more dip. Come on, no, look at this. It's really strong. Come on, a little bit more dip. If it's gonna break out over 700, I'll go long. Very small size because it's only few minutes. No breakout yet. Not yet. Not yet. Even those break 700, but not the way I wanted to break. See the breakout. Very low volume, so I'm not taking it. Come on, hold it a bit. Come on. This is the second time retested 700. Okay, this time if it's going to go over 700, I'm gonna go long. Okay, it's coming down. It's trying to hold. Let's see that can it break or it's gonna fail here. Right now it's really good so far. It's holding the moving averages. I see a lot of aggressive selling at this level. So I mean the sellers are strong here. Come on, hold the VWAP. Come on. Come on, my friend. Give us a one trade for another pre-market retest. I don't like. Oh man, it's getting weak, but I don't like to short here. Like given, although it is a perfect level for shorting it, if it rejects here. But the question is, do you trust on the rejection or do you trust on the long side? I think I'm gonna go towards the long side setup. If it's gonna hold 700, here you go. Look at this. Oh, very low volume, very low volume again on the 700 candle. I don't know. The volume is not coming. If you look at the candle on the downs, if you see the candle, even though price moved up, but there's no volumes. That's why I'm not going long here. Okay, watch. If it's gonna break 700, perfectly three time already tested. Watch. Okay, I'm long. I'm long small size here. Let's see that this time it can do the magic or not. It's the fourth attempt of the upside move. If it's going to fail, it's going to have a 30 points risk. Okay, so size appropriately. I went very small size here. So he's failing again. We just need to give a little bit more room. I'm giving a little bit more room. Okay, good. Come on, break out. Come on. The way it is doing it seems like it's going to go. Let's see. Can it go break? Come on. Okay, it's breaking out now. 700. Remember, it's an inside day, but it's holding it. ES is already way up. Come on, let's hope for the best. Leave the rest. Come on. Come on. ES, come on. NQ is really a lot of auto sitting on the upside here. I didn't like this candle the way it is forming. Come on. Come on. All right, here you go. There's so many sellers. The the hidden seller sitting on 700. ES is already over the pre-market high. Okay, I'm closing this trade right now here. I'll close the trade. I'm gonna wait to see what's gonna happen. Uh, there's a lot of orders sitting on the downside now. Okay, guys, NQ has already failed 595, which is very bearish. I wanted to see that how this candle closes, but the way it is closing is a bearish. Triple Q has under the 595. I want to see how this candle closes. Here we go. ES is already broke out. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. I'm long here, hoping for the better outcome this time. ES is already broke out. Come on, NQ, don't disappoint. Come on, ES is just really nicely moving up. Oh man, a good dumping in here again here. Look at this dump. Okay, I'm out. I'm out, man. I'm not taking trade anymore. This is a full size stop loss. It's just chopping around. I'm gonna wait for my. This is a full size stop loss. I mean, look at the ES. ES just a beautiful breakout, but the NQ is just pain. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see. Alright, so it's confirmed selling off now. It again lost to 595. Let's wait for the better setup to come in. Right now, market is just chopping into the range. I'm not taking any more trade. I'm gonna wait if it's gonna break out. I'm gonna see that if we can get another trade, but I'm not taking. Look at the ES is really nicely moving. Um, I just wanted to be careful here, not taking any more trade without any reason. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. I mean, ES is moving very nicely. I will see if I can find the ES trade better. NQ is really chopped, so I'm gonna wait. Maybe we can wait another 10 minutes to see what it does. Webeck, what happening? Why are you so quiet today?
Yeah, not sure what the market is doing. That's what I'm looking at.
Market, I mean, is in the range, chop range. I think we should have traded um, the what you call the ES. ES is much better for sure. Right now, NQ is in chop in the first 5 minute opening range. Failed to break out, but ES is really. I think it's maybe likely the rotation happening. Money's coming out. I'm gonna try going long. Um, I mean, it's a little extended. Okay, let's wait. I think I'm gonna see maybe ES going to give us another leg up. It's maybe the rotation. That's why NQ is holding the opening range and ES is just moving back up. So, and it's very close to 6,700 right now. ES. Um, we'll see if I can get. I can if I can find that one more good trade.
Yeah, there is news at 10 also. Consumer
What's that?
sentiment.
Okay.
Sentiment.
Yeah, I think that data was really good. The spending data was good. Um, Definitely, ES is really wanting to move back up. I'm just waiting. I don't want to take trade, but I think it looks really good. ES is really good at this point. Here you go. Dump. Something dump happened. Oh my goodness. Bookmap is faster than the dash charts. It just spiked down to 20, 25, 30 points. Man, don't touch it, man. It's just a chop show, man. Don't chase the candles. I don't know what's going on here.
If it is an ATM strategy, it will take out as soon as you enter.
Yeah, don't even enter here. Guys, I'm watching it with my closed eyes. I'm not even paying attention. I just put the alert on the chart and I'm not even watching this. Guys, don't even watch this. I'm not even watching. I'm watching it with closed eyes. Do you understand that? Guys, if you have any question, ask. I think this is not going to be the fun day today. The way it is chopping around. mean, ES is really moving nice. I think I wish I would have can take the trade, but I'm just scared the ranges, because even if we take the ES trade, is only moving 3, 4, 5 points, which is, doesn't have a lot of momentum. That's just making me not to take any trade as well. Okay, finally NQ broke 700, but I'm not in the trade. I'm not. It's still chopping around within the 5 minutes range. I like to wait a little bit more. Yeah, that's one thing, Joshi. It seems like a rotation going on because ES is moving very nicely. You go another spike up, 10 o'clock. What's happening? It's holding 700. Guys, I'm gonna go small size. I'm gonna try small size. I'm gonna small size if it's gonna pull back here. Okay, I'm going small size here on MNQ. I think it's broke out the previous chop section area. It might gonna go to the pre-market high. My entry is 24,720, and I'm gonna risk 20.700 is a stop loss. Okay, it's a 20-point stop loss, and 750 is the target. So 30 points target. Come on, don't. Come on. Come on, go. A lot of orders sitting on the upside. Come on. Don't go back to this range. Come on. Man, it's just immediately pulling back again. All the way to the down. Very close to our stop losses. Come on. Oh man, I'm stopped out. This is the second brutal stop loss here. Now everything is pulling back. Alright guys, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I think this is the suck up day. Nvidia slightly down, UEXY is not really up at all. I mean, it's just a chop show. I think it's take a little bit more time to consolidate here, I guess. Oh yeah, I mean, I'm not taking any more trade for sure. I'm already have a two stop losses here. What's going on here in the market today? I think market is not sure, Vivek, that what market wants to do at this point here, especially the NQ.
Yeah, nobody is sure because of all these
Yeah,
conflicting news, right? Sentiment was, I think, okay, but they're just playing the news, I guess. That's what it is. They already decided that we're going to sell. So as soon as it goes up, they bring it
yeah.
down.
I think the best thing you can do, you can just sell it and just forget it on the top.
Yeah, that's what it is today. Like 733 kind of is a marker
Very
on the
aggressive,
chart.
very aggressively came
It
back
goes,
down. Um, and it seems to me the rotation is going on right now. It's like the rotation for sure. Because
yeah, because
it,
Boeing is going
and
up. Boeing is
you're right.
going
And
up.
also, if you
Manufacturing.
recall the Fed chair was saying that the is is maybe not the market. Is maybe that some companies are overly valued. So if some companies are overly valued, it just really means that they need to bring the uh, those companies down, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know whether the Fed chair really
I mean,
knows,
everybody knows, right?
but
It's
yeah,
a is a is a
that's
is a risk for the whole system if three companies are $4 trillion.
yeah. I mean, it's a super cycle right now, right? AI
It's still,
super
right? It's still,
cycle.
I mean,
AI
four
does
trillion
stuff, but
dollar. Can you imagine $4 trillion? I mean, that's really too much, right?
yeah, right now tariffs are a bigger risk than anything else.
Whole full gap is coming down now, right? Okay, guys, I think that I think that this is just the bizarre price action. ES also came down. I'm looking for the short side move, but this is a very big range. So if market come back down and close the gap, which is 24,590, we look for the short side moves. But we look for a better risk reward entry right now at just two extended 5 minute candles. I'm looking for, if we see after this 5 minutes big red candle, if we can just get us maybe 1 or 2 minutes of consolidation, I'm gonna look for the short. Okay, so that's good. This bounce is really good. Let's see what it does. I want this to consolidate under 24,620 so we can look for the next leg down. Okay, we got this consolidation here, but it's too tiny consolidation. Should we trust this? It's a very small consolidation after the very big 5 minute bar. I will wait for this. Because of a very extended 5 minutes, I will not trust this small consolidation here. A little bit more, maybe another 2 more minutes. If you look at the 2 minute chart, this is the this is 6 minute inside candle, so that's good. So if it breaks 610, then we can look for the short side trades. But there is a big order at 610, and there is a big order at 640. If it take the 640 and rejects, then I think we will be it would be good for us to take the short side then. So if you look at my chart here, you can see here, you know, we are very close to the areas. ES is very close to the area which is the yesterday low, and same as the NQ. Not the yesterday, I mean the day before, September 24th, and same as the NQ. So if NQ can lose 6428, which we just lost it, and triple Q is the 593. So very close to that area, and this consolidation could mean that we can take this trade. I'm waiting. I'm gonna go small size because I already have a two loser, so I don't meant to turn green today. I will just take 3 micros. I'm in the trade, and if it's going to break prior day close with the volume, I'm gonna add into my position to get to the breakdown on the pre-market low. Um, but if it's gonna fail, I'm just gonna lose the, you know, 3 micros here, which still 3 micros, but I'm not taking full size here. I'm gonna try to take another $100 loss, try to make at least $200. I'm down $600 today, so if I get $200 back, I'm going to be down $400. It's really choppy, really extended moves. I don't know what I'm reducing. In fact, what's happened? I reduced to 2 micros. I don't want to take 3 micros even. It's really close to the extended. Because if you look at it, this, you know what? I'm not taking it. I'm closing it. I just closed it. This still in the opening range. If you look at the opening range, it's 100 points. It might easily reverse full 100 point reversal. You can see here. Given as a range days, I'm out. I'm not in the trade. This could be the 100% reversal. There would be no you know uh, continuation. And if it's a continuation come in, I will re-enter. But it seems to me that the NQ is on the full range right now. I don't even have any idea whether it's going to break this range or it's going to stick with this range. It can easily just go back again on the upside with the 100 point range created in the opening range. And as I mentioned to you, right, that when the opening range is too big and the market keep coming back into the range and going back and up and forth, it's better not to take the trade unless we see a clear breakdown or breakout of these ranges, right? So we'll see that whether it can break this range or no. It can easily fake you out, showing you that it's breaking out, and then the moment you enter short, it is just going to reverse on you. So I'm not in the trade right now, guys. But I think it's better to take only $600 loss than the try another trade and then lose everything. Here you go. See, the reversal came back in. I think they were just pretending. Uh, Market is in the range right now. Let's see that does can market prove us that it is not in the range? Okay, sell off came in. This is the first evidence that market is not in the range. See, let's see, can it fake out or it is a real? See, the idea is that if market continue to sell off, it's just going to mean that the ES and NQ are closing with the engulfing red week. And if it's stay in the range, then market still has a time to come back next week, because then it's not going to be engulfing. It's just going to be the inside day red day. So let me just bring it. Do you see my screen? Right. Let me just bring the weekly chart here so you can see here. Look at this one. So right now, if you look at it here, we are here. If we continue to come back down and close here, then it means that we are in the engulfing red week. But if we close somewhere here in the range, it's just going to be the inside week range. And I think that market is fighting for that. That market doesn't want it to close what you call the engulfing red. That's why we see some tough price action. Market is, or NQ is just keep moving between back and forth here. So I don't know how it's going to end, but just might be the tough fight here. See, right now market is holding those ranges. You can easily trap people who have shorted it down there. Here you go. Look at this. I think it's trapping again. I see a lot of orders sitting at 625, 630, 635. There's some order at 675 as well. Let's see what market takes first. 675 or 635. Market is taking the downside order first. Is here 12 minutes are left in market to close another 30 minutes. Thirty more seconds, 15 more seconds in closing this 5 minutes. This 5 minutes is closing like a hammer. Important candle. Let's see what it does next. Breakout or breakout. If it's gonna go above 24, 610, 615, it's gonna confirm the range day. I think it looks like a range day. It's confirming again. The moment it's going to break 610, there are gonna be a lot of you know orders going to start coming in, hitting the ask, and it's just going to easily squeeze. NQ is under the opening range. Let's see, can it hold? I'm not taking any trade here. If it's gonna fail here, I might gonna consider going long over 610. So I'm not sure whether it's going to break the range here or no. I'm not too confident here. Here you go. I think there's a phase is fake out. But the point is that it has to go over 610 to prove that there's a fake out. Almost close to 1030. So I think that was a real sell-off. Okay, market is just really rolling over completely. Wow, look at this. 30 minutes. Was there any news as well, or Vivek is just a rollover?
It's just rollover, no news. They wanted to sell today.
Yeah, so it seems to me that the market wanted to close the as engulfing today. Look at this 30 minutes. Wow, how bearish could it be? I think there's a really good momentum. I think I should have stick with this uh, short trade. Given the range was so big, I was thinking my view was that it may not gonna break that range. But that's good that we did not basically enter here. Close to 10:30, guys. 2 more minutes. No entry for me. Not a good day for me.
I did not put any trades because I did not take any. So, um, you want to put those?
Yeah, to put the two trades which I have entered on the upside, which we have lost.
So 926, right?
What 9:26?
No, I'm just putting the date today.
Oh,
So it is both on NQ and both are longs, right?
yeah,
Yeah, it was a short day. Looks like after the fact, of course.
yeah.
So what is the entry and exit?
So both are seven. One was 700 entry, and then stop loss was 80. Another was 720 entry, and then 700 was a stop loss.
24700, right?
Yeah,
24700, and the loss was 24680,
yeah.
and the second one was 24720, right?
Mm.
And exit was
Exit 20-point stop loss for both.
24700 then. Okay.
Look at this bounce, man. Look at this bounce.
Yeah, they're just playing around, nothing else. Playing around with people like me and some more people. If there's no direction, it's just down. That's what I think. I mean, and of course, that is the direction. Down. It will go up a little bit and then it will go down. If you short at the top, then you make all the money without even thinking about it. The way it reversed in the pre-market from 24733 or something, or 35,
Mm-hmm.
all the way like 30 50 points or 60 points. It showed as if that is the direction for today, but and then yesterday there were some tariffs. So any news that comes which is like expected, then it won't do anything, right? Because
Yeah.
market has a sentiment, and it's a Friday, and too many tariffs are going to anyways disrupt the whole thing, right? So
So
not
they put the trucks, right? What's the
not
other
just
tariff?
not just trucks. They put 100% tariffs on any drugs that are manufactured out of U.S. unless they have a U.S. manufacturing initiated. So that is the bigger one, like the 100% tariff, right? And then trucks is there, and then something else is also there. I mean, that just shows the instability of the whole regime, right? Like the what is going to be expected tomorrow. Anything can be under a tariff, new tariff.
No, but people are happy, right? So far, people are really happy. Look at the market.
What?
Look, so far the market is making all-time highs. So far the market was really happy.
So far it was happy, but not anymore because interest rate is not the good thing anymore. And now there is a cycle in Fed, right? That sometimes bad news is good news and good news is bad news,
Yeah.
something like that. Now it is going to be now that they're expecting the rates. Now bad news will be bad news. So this is all bad news now. The rate is already expected now, so that's a given. Now anything bad is bad. I think what people are talking about AI is not right. AI is going to continue for some more time, at least 3 4 years. But the rest of the market is going to get affected for sure. But AI is. I mean, yesterday I was creating a logo. I used to pay like $40 50 for that on Fiverr to create a logo, right?
Mm.
Yesterday I created a logo in 2 minutes on OpenAI. So and I changed it multiple times depending upon what I wanted. So those are the kind of things that are taken away from the market, right? Like now
Yeah.
people are going to lose jobs now. Um, Creating a website is super easy now. You just put it on the OpenAI, it will create a code. So and then of course, if you want any modification, it asks you for that too. Do you want this? Do you want that? So and those things are getting smarter every day. Code
Mm.
is no more a problem. Writing code.
All right, guys, I'm going to take a break.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
I'm going to take a break, and guys, I will not be in on Monday and the Tuesday, and then I'm going to come back on Wednesday for the stream, uh, and then we'll decide because I want to take some time off, so we'll decide after taking Monday, Tuesday off to see what we need to do next. Okay, guys. I mean, it's just like a shit show at this point. Already a red day for me, so
You
not
said
not sure.
it's above S3 now, so do you think it'll go up now?
No, I mean it's really weak.
Yeah, you know,
It might gonna give a little bit of pullback. Initially, I mean, I was just thinking, if you look at it, still it making higher low. If you look at a 5 minute chart, right? This still shows,
that's what I was asking.
yeah, this still shows the higher lows, right? It still shows the higher lows, but I don't know. And then ES has just closed the gap. ES has just closed the gap. NQ was weak, but NQE has just closed the gap. So we can think of the if you're somebody trading, I think that if ES can reclaim 6660, then you can again look for the long throughout the day. But right now it's just retouches pre-market low. It just might be the another reversal now because it just retested the pre-market low.
Yeah, I'm just looking that if it is going above the on the 1 minute, if NQ goes above the um, 21 EMA, then maybe it will become a long because it's a reversal. It looks like a reversal.
Yeah, because the ES has just closed the gap, so actually it could reverse. You're right.
because it moved from R3 to S3 all the way. So now it has to do something.
Let's see if it can hold the pre-market low.
It has volume too on this going up. It
Let's see
has
that can it retest 23,570 and what it does.
yeah.
Does it fail here or does it move back up? Vivek, you were right. You were absolutely right.
Yeah, I took it, right?
I took it as well. I just the moment you said I took it as well. So
Yeah, I
good
took
call,
it
Vivek.
83
I'm
to
still holding.
90.
I'm still holding it. I just stopped out. Okay, but I'm still red. I took very small size when it hold the pre-market low 24,570. That's where I took the entry.
Yeah.
Man, see, and why did I say? Look at this one. I'm gonna bring the chart here, and that's the only reason I took the trade. And also, the is holding. Look at this higher low. So it came back down when it's saying when it's stop here at 591. That's what I was thinking. You know what? It is maybe making higher low. Look at this low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's what I was thinking. That's the only reason I took it, and also it held the pre-market low. So I think that now the buyer brigades came in to squeeze everybody. Where is the next entry now? Very beautiful bullish candle here on the who is filling those orders, man. Stop.
Hmm. Sorry?
I'm hearing order fill, stop fill, order fill, stop fill.
They have a lot of orders all the way up to the top, so you can still squeeze. But the 50-day moving on the first 1 minute is some resistance, but maybe not.
Let's see, can you hold 600 and I can go long again, but it's really fast now. Oh man, it's really strong.
Yeah, it's going to close the gap, close the whole circle, I guess. Not gap,
Come
the
on, give me
whole
the
top.
entry. I think that's what I was thinking is what is going to be the range day, remember? But it broke a little bit down, then it's gonna be the range. Okay, I mean I'm looking for another entry if it can consolidate here a little bit, 1 or 2 minutes of consolidation. I'll take the upside entry here to break a VWAP. NQ turn, triple Q turn green, triple Q turn green, SPY turn green. Uh, can you check what Bitcoin is doing, Vivek?
It's down.
How much? What is the reading right now?
Well, it's very much down. I have Bitcoin, right?
No,
So
what, 100,000, What is it?
it's 108, 109.
Okay, that's fine. So as far as over 100,000, that's fine. It's just a
But
range.
Ethereum is below 4,000. That's negative.
So Ethereum is below. So Ethereum is always a late boomer, right? So
Sorry?
I mean Ethereum is always the late. So it's gold lays and it's pulled back early. So it's Ethereum is not the Bitcoin. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Break of the VWAP. That's the trade now.
Yeah. Come on, come on. Break 640.
I think it'll again reject VWAP. That's what it might do.
And then pull back up.
But volume is there on the upside for
I
sure.
mean, I personally like to see if we can just could give us the the knee jerk rejection, shake everybody out, and then move back up. That's what I'm looking for.
That's what it did.
No, but
Yeah.
not this. It's still not big shakeout. Big shakeout means that spike down to the 610 and then pull back immediately to show the buying pressure. Right now, it is just consolidating over the under the VWAP over the moving averages. Come on, man. Don't pull, don't pull, don't pull, don't. Just give us, because if it's gonna pull back, people are gonna think it's a lower high. People are gonna go short, and it's just going to put the bottoming tail and move back up, and that's where we need to go long. But if it's gonna go short, and because if you look at it, my so right now we on the VWAP, so it means that we're in the middle of the range. But I want people to short first here and get trapped, then we can go long. But if they don't get trapped, then I think it's they must be right.
The problem is it's a down day today. So this might be a pivot where
It's
it
already
might
green. SPY is
peak.
green, triple Q is green. So ES is green, NQ is green. See, that's what I'm saying. So if you look at the weekly chart, in my mind when I came in, I had only two things in mind. It is going to be an engulfing red week on the weekly chart, or it's going to be a green range day and turn into a doji kind of a week. I think it's going to be a doji, but just 10 minutes ago it looked like a engulfing. Now it's looked like a doji. So I don't know how it's going to end. It's still multiple hours are left in the market. So I want people to short here and then reject this and then move back up again, and then we can go long over 640. If you look at the 5 minute chart, is making a doji on the ES, so it's likely be the sell off. Yeah, I think it's going to sell off. This is not the long day.
That's what I was thinking. That from down day, I meant that from the
No, but
top,
look at the 5 minute on the
not
ES. But
yeah.
still the range. See, it's holding 610. Really immediate bounce. Okay. Let's see what it does.
It's going to retest the
Pre-market low.
550s, 70s,
Very
pre-market.
aggressive bearish flow coming in.
Yeah, pre-market low, 570. It should be a pivot. So that's where it jumped also, right? So like 570.
Yeah, it's under 600 now. So
Looks like midnight close is playing some part in holding it.
probably at this point,
So,
yeah, PVC is holding at this point. Let's see. Because the ES is still green.
yeah, the market is overall green. It's just that the way it jumped, it reversed. That's a negative. Market is not red, except for some chips, which are red. Apple is okay.
It's really market is really aggressive. Suddenly the flow comes in the bullish. Suddenly the flow comes in bearish.
Yeah, that's a Friday for you, and a PC and like a PC data.
I mean, just look at the 5 minutes trend and the 7 minutes trend like that. You know, it's really aggressive.
50% retracement from the VWAP already. 60% now.
All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. I mean, there's no point of
Yeah,
watching
losing
this.
money. Just
Just in a bad.
losing money day.
Uh, yeah, I mean, it's a very aggressive. It's hard to predict what market going to do next.
Yeah.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye bye.
I'll
Thank
see
you.
you on Wednesday now.
Yeah, have a great vacation.
All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a break. I'm not gonna. I can't go anywhere because of the kids have a school. So I'll just take a break. I just wanted to spend time not trading. So
Yeah. But trading without us, that's what you mean.
no, no. I mean, it's just gonna be break. It's just. So I'll trade on Wednesday. So I'll be back. But I will just come for half an hour trading, and then we'll decide. Let's see how Monday Tuesday goes. I want to try first 2 days, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna go for trail maybe close by. Uh,
Mhm.
I can't go anywhere because kids have school. We don't have a fall break here yet, so
Yep.
we'll see.
Okay.
Right,
See you.
guys. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.